loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to give you my first impressions of the item that I have purchased with my friend from Dior. So if you're interested to know what my first impressions are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. In this channel, I make videos about contemporary and luxury and motherhood items and lifestyle. So if you're into one of those topics, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who have Instagram account, go check me out there and follow me on Instagram where I do share some OOTD and where I also share how I wear or use these different items on a daily basis. And before I reveal the item and give you my first impressions about it, I would like to let you know that I have put timestamps throughout the videos and all those chapters are mentioned in the description box below. And lastly, I would like to let you know that I made an unboxing video of this item that I'm going to put the card just right there and the link in the description down below. Go check it out so you have an idea how the item was when I purchased it. Okay, so without further ado, I am going to reveal to you guys the item. Like I mentioned, if you have watched the unboxing, you already know what item it is, but I'm still going to show you the unboxing because I have put it in the box. So it came in this white package from Dior where I have received this beautiful star where it mentioned Dior as well. And then inside I have the receipt, and then in here I have this beautiful holiday box that I think it is for this year. So this is in blue and gold. I am always a sucker for Dior packaging and they always have great packaging. So I'm just going to unbox it and show you how it looks like. So that's the box where you can see it mentioned Dior. And then I am just going to open it like that and that. Then there's this cotton pouch. So nothing more there. So this is the cotton pouch. And inside the cotton pouch, I have yet again another star in here. So I have received two Dior stars. And in here I have the J'adior bracelet. And this one is in the color cream or Ecru. You will be telling me how come I only have one, because the other one my friend has it, and the one that she got is the black one. So mine is in beige with black wording and hers is in black with beige wording. Okay, so now I'm just going to give you some description about the product itself. So I'm just going to show it like this so you with a white backdrop so you can have a look and you can see it. So the J'adior bracelets are actually reinvented for the seasons with the new color combo. So the Christian Dior J'adior signature is embroidered in Ecru and the other one is in black cotton. The bracelets are adjustable with handmade tassel cords and can be worn for any occasion, alone or stacked. So for us, it will be, of course, worn alone since I have the first part and my friend has the second part. And then as you can see, this is the DIOR J'adior signature embroidered in the front. And like I've mentioned, I have the Ecru and my friend has the black one embroidered in cotton. The slide fastening with tassels. It is sold as a pair, and here in Belgium it currently retails for 350 euros. And this the bracelets are made in Italy. So I'm just going to try to show it to you. So as you can see, it's DIOR, and then at the back you can adjust it, and there's those tassels. And as for the size and fit, so as you can see, they can be adjusted in length, so they can be from 14 centimeters like that, and it could go up to 23 centimeters. So in inches, they are from 5.5 inches to 9 inches. So now that I have talked about the specs, I'm just going to give you the reason why we have opted for the color Ecru and the color black. So I got for me the color Ecru, and my friend got for her the color black because she wanted something that is a lot darker and easily wearable with everything. And she wanted the dark one because she already have 2 kids, and it will be, she told me, easier for her as well. When she'll wear it, it won't have a lot of stains, or it won't stain easily because it has a darker color. And then it was okay for me because I wanted something a bit light, because since I have a lot of this type of color in my wardrobe, and it could be nice to accessorize them with this color pattern. But and then anyways, the writing is in black, so it will be easy for me as well to wear this with any outfit that I have. And secondly, we opted for this combo because, just to let you know, there are a lot of combos on either on the Dior website as well as at the boutique. So if you don't see anything on the website, if you have a Dior boutique, go check out at the boutique. Sometimes they do have some sets that doesn't exist or you cannot find on the website, and vice versa. So actually this combo, the Ecru and the black one, they weren't on the website, but they were proposed to us by the SA. So that's why we grabbed it, because what was nice with this combo is, like I have mentioned earlier, I have the Ecru one, but the writing is in black, and my friend has the black one with the writing on the Ecru. So yeah, we opted for this because we wanted also to symbolize our friendship, first and foremost, of course. And then the second reason is she's also one of the godmothers of my future baby, or maybe my baby already came out when you'll be watching this video, because I'm filming it and my due date hasn't passed yet. So I'll be posting it, I think, once my baby already came out. So yeah, so she's also one of the godmother of my baby Ariko. So it's also a nice keepsake for both of us. So yeah, so that's why we have opted for this combo and of the J'adior Bracelet Set. Okay, so now I'm just going to share with you guys my first impressions about the bracelet itself. Of course, I can only give you my first impression on the bracelet that I have, which is the Ecru one. And I'm also going to give you my impressions about the experience that we had when we went to the boutique to buy the item. So as a first check on the item itself, I am very wowed with the craftsmanship. As you can see, the way that it is sewn, it's very nice. And then the tassels at the back also, they're so nicely, you know, cut out and everything. Of course, I know that with a few wear of this, the tassels will change its form, but that's normal when you wear something. So I'm very happy and pleased with the how it is made. And as for the how I will use it, I plan to wear it on my right wrist. So as you can see, it's very easy to wear. And I have a very small wrist, so this is the smallest, as you can see, 14 centimeters, so 5.5 inches. And I think that this looks so great. And I think I'll be pairing it with my Hermes Click H also that I put on the right side, and with a watch. So those will be the one that I'll be putting on my right wrist. And wow, yeah. Oh, look, it's so nice. So honestly, first impression of the item itself, I'm very pleased with the craftsmanship, like I've mentioned, and how it is nicely done. And then the second thing is the boutique experience. At first, my friend and I wanted to buy the Ecru and the blue one, which we saw on the website but aren't available, because just so you know, all of these bracelets are always out of stock, even on the website. So the only way that you can have them is apparently click on the option to be alerted, so that you will receive an email once the products arrive. But other than that, it's not possible to order it, or even to ask an SA to order it for you, because the only thing that they can do is they can order it if the item is available within the neighboring country also. So we were like, okay, bummer. And then when we went to the shop, I went a few days before with my husband, and I've asked the SA if they got that color, or if we can order it or inform us. And then he told me that I have another set, but it is not a blue one. It is the Ecru, so the beige, but with the black one. And I was like, oh my God, I think my friend will love it more than the blue one. So I've sent her the picture, and immediately after, we decided to go back to the boutique, because I went there with my husband on a Saturday, and then we decided to go back on a Monday so we can have the set and buy it together. The essay was very lovely. He put the set on the side for us, because like I told him, we will be back immediately on Monday, because we like the set, and they were very accommodating and helpful. So we went back on Monday with my friend, and then we looked and tried the set of bracelets, and we fell in love and we took it. I am going to put afterwards some of the clips of that day, and some pictures also of how this looks on me, but you can already see it, and the picture that my friend showed me while wearing the one that she got. So all in all, first impressions of the item itself, very happy, satisfied. Experience at the boutique, great. Online shopping, no comment, since a lot of the bracelets are mostly out of stock. So that's why I just advise you to go check with your SA what they have in stock at the boutique. And then lastly, the only thing that I will say that kind of like bothers me is the price tag, because 350 euros for a pair, even though it's a pair, that's good. But just on a woven item, it's a bit expensive. But at the end of the day, I think this kind of bracelet, especially this one, it's a friendship bracelet though, so there's this meaning behind it that I know I will treasure until the end. So the price tag will already be forgotten with the meaning that is behind this item. So those are the first impressions, as well as the experience that I felt during the purchasing of this bracelet. guys, that was my first impressions of the J'adior Bracelet Set. What I'll do is I'm going to make another video about the wear and tear of the bracelet after wearing it for a few times. You will be able to see also how I accessorize. I use this item to accessorize my outfit, and I'm going to post that on my Instagram account, so you will be able to see how I wear this with my outfits. And yeah, other than that, I hope that this video has helped some of you who are debating to purchase a J'adior bracelet set by yourself, because you can also just buy it for yourself and stack it, or with a friend of yours or a family member, having a message meaning behind the bracelet. If that was the case, and if this video has entertained you also, please consider giving it a thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about the video. And also, if you're enjoying the different contents of my channel, feel free to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. So up until then, I wish you all good health and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.